Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2013 Mini Cooper maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button over here on the right side, and also this button right here on the signal. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. First of all, have your car on without starting, and we're going to be using this button. Go ahead and press it one to delete the battery, and go ahead and press on it and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, yeah, they're 5 seconds. When you finish with this 5 second, that should appear. And now use the button on the signal, press it, and go find the oil can, just like that. Now when you get here, press and hold that signal button. Press and hold, and it should show the reset. Now press and hold again, and let go, and there you go, guys. That's how you reset it. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.